Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Place both hands on the home row with 10 fingers ready for typing. Keep wrists relaxed and float your fingers above the keys. Learn the main key zones: letters, numbers, function keys, and the navigation cluster. Identify the spacebar, Enter, Shift, Backspace, and Tab keys by touch. Adjust keyboard angle to 5-15 degrees and set a comfortable chair height. Sit with feet flat and elbows near a 90-degree angle. Start with short 10-minute sessions to build comfort safely. Use home row fingering and return fingers to home after each key press. Keep thumbs on the spacebar and use the appropriate finger for each letter. Press keys with light force and avoid resting on keys while typing. Look at the screen, not the keyboard, to build muscle memory. Begin with accuracy goals of 90% before adding speed. Practice 10 minutes daily and increase to 20 minutes as you improve. Use simple drills like typing common words and short sentences for repetition. Learn basic shortcuts to work faster and reduce finger movement on the keyboard. Memorize Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+Z, and Alt+Tab for common tasks and window switching. Use Shift for capitalization and Ctrl+arrow keys to jump words. Clean the keyboard monthly by removing debris and using compressed air or a soft brush. Choose a wired or fully charged wireless keyboard and keep batteries at 50% or higher. Replace worn keycaps or the keyboard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.